Number 5. DEWALT DWE575. If you're in the market for a lightweight circular saw, the DEWALT DWE575 is a top contender. Weighing in at just 8.8 pounds, this saw is easy to maneuver and won't leave your arms tired after a long day of cutting. The 15-amp motor on the DEWALT saw packs a powerful punch, making it perfect for tough cutting applications. Whether you're a general contractor, framer, or remodeler, this saw can handle anything you throw at it. The 57-degree beveling capacity of the DWE575 provides versatility for a variety of cutting tasks. With stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees, you can easily make angled cuts without any hassle. With a 29 by 16-inch depth of cut capacity, the DEWALT saw offers even more versatility. Whether you're cutting plywood, siding, or exterior finishing materials, this saw can handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the DWE575 is the built-in dust blower function, which helps keep your work surface clean during cutting. This allows for a clear line of sight and ensures precise cuts every time. Though the DEWALT DWE575 is a fantastic circular saw, it does have a minor downside. The blade wrench storage could be a bit more accessible, but this is a small inconvenience compared to all the benefits this saw offers. Overall, the DEWALT DWE575 is a solid choice for anyone in need of a lightweight and powerful circular saw. Check it out today and see for yourself why it's a standout in its class.